Forms on Fire, a full review. Forms are the backbone of any business. They're how you get customers to interact with your company, and they can also be used for internal communication. If you have a blog, forms are crucial for getting people to subscribe to it. If you want them to sign up for your newsletter, there's a form for that too. There are many different types of forms. However, Forms on Fire brings forms into the 21st century by easily integrating your paper forms into a mobile app, saving you time and money. Forms on Fire is a company that focuses on transforming old, manual ways of working into modern mobile cloud apps. Employees and customers get what they need when they need it. Features: built-in offline capability. Whether you are out in the field gaining new customers, entering valuable data, or have technical difficulties with your Wi-Fi, your business can still thrive and operate. Working offline is hassle-free with Forms on Fire, even with a printer, and you always have the latest versions of your most important things on whatever device, like a smartphone that's being used to access them. User-friendly. The concept of drag-and-drop design may seem like an oxymoron, but in truth it's not. The goal in modern-day technology has always been twofold: create something immensely powerful yet simple enough so users forget they're not programmers themselves when using your program or website, helping them do amazing things without getting in their way at all times. Secondly, providing tools for designers that will allow you more control than ever before possible, and Forms on Fire seems to have done this. A designer shouldn't have any boundaries when creating content, because there are no limitations on what can be achieved through creativity with today's technology. Forms on Fire is arguably the most customizable forms software in its price range, and has a wide variety of templates to help get you started. Forms that convert. One simple fact about online revenue generation: if people are not willing or able to fill out your form or take action, then they have no reason to continue on with them. So it's important to make it as easy and simple as possible. Forms on Fire does just that, by making the forms you create look great on mobile devices or desktops, which means no one's going to get lost along the way because they don't know where they're supposed to go next. Easy customizability. The designers at Forms on Fire have created software where you can export the entire design into Excel with just one click, using all of those shortcut keys that you're already familiar with to turbocharge your productivity and rapidly create form designs to maximize conversions. Copy an entire page or section from one design and paste it right next to another, for this means you'll get more powerful, long-lasting effects than ever before. Instant mind-blowing results, faster than ever before. Performance analytics. You can work intelligently and continuously improve your business by delivering actionable insights to everyone with real-time, mobile analytics. With this in mind, you should optimize the experience for customers through dashboards that provide a consolidated view of information relevant to decision-making. Pros. Reduce costs. The biggest advantage of Forms on Fire is that it could help you reduce your costs by increasing effectiveness and efficiency. Whether you're looking to create a simple online form or need something more complex, this software will serve all of your needs without breaking the bank. Reduce time. This platform allows users to save time so they can spend time on other things like growing their business and getting back to the people that matter most. Remote access. This software can be used anywhere in the world due to its built-in offline capability, which means you'll always have your data with you when you need it. This makes Forms on Fire a great option for businesses operating around the world with varying degrees of technological sophistication. Boost production efficiency. Forms on Fire can also be used to optimize production efficiency by improving the accuracy and quality of all forms, making it a viable option for any business. Cons: need updated systems. To be honest, there are very few cons with this software. However, one may be that not all operating systems are supported, so older devices may have some trouble working with it, but as time goes on more will become compatible. This is due to the software being ahead of the curve and competition. People who are unfamiliar with technology may have a hard time filling out forms, even though technology like smartphones and tablets are part of everyday life. The older generation is still not as familiar with the systems. If you're creating forms for older generations, it would be best to have a physical copy of your form that they can fill out instead. Pricing. The pricing of Forms on Fire is all dependent on the number of forms you are looking to create, so there is no need for a specific price. The more the better. To be put simply, you are likely to get a much better price if you purchase the software for more forms and devices. Contact them for a direct, customized quote for your business. They have a friendly team that will guide you through the simple onboarding process. Conclusion: Forms on Fire has made it simple and easy to create professional-looking forms that can maximize conversions, cut costs, and boost production efficiency. With the ability to quickly import designs into Excel with just one click, you'll be able to turbocharge your productivity too, which will save time on all of those mundane tasks like cutting and pasting. You can work intelligently and continuously improve your business by delivering actionable insights to everyone with real-time, mobile analytics. With this in mind, you should optimize the experience for customers through dashboards that provide a consolidated view of information relevant to decision-making. The biggest advantage of Forms on Fire is there is nothing as easy to use at scale on the market. Whether you're looking to create a simple online form or need something more complex, this software will serve all of your needs without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to learn more about Forms on Fire software. Please like, share, and subscribe.